hope it's okay to video you. It's just interesting to see you come in, and I'm thinking, wow, it's like a night night riding. All right, take care. Okay, bye bye. Okay, welcome to Aligaylejourneys again, guys. In a little village slash town called Petworth in Surrey, and I've just parked my car here at the Stonemasons Inn. They've been quite kind. I've gone in and I've asked them if it's okay to park there, and they said it's fine. One of the guy asked me how long. So what I want to do is just give you a quick tour of this little village. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? All right, Petworth, and other areas. So I'll just follow the sign down here. Up of there on the ground. Oh, that's interesting apple tree. What that's interesting is hanging over the road. I don't know if those are packed with worms or what. Quite often the apples here in some parts of the UK tend to have worms in them. This looks a bit dangerous. I don't think any walking path is actually here. No, I think I'm gonna walk this way. Okay, so let's see what are some of the things that we'll see here. You can see how narrow the road is. Can you see that? The car had to literally, the vehicle stop to allow the others to pass. Really, really narrow road. In fact, the speed limit here is 20 miles per hour. You can see that here. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, so it's very interesting, very different, and to be honest with you, it feels very Victorian, even though I'm not sure what Victorian times look like. But there's no question that this narrow road and the brick wall must have been here for a very long time. I'll put some historical and interesting facts about Petworth in the video as well, so you'll be able to see that. Yeah, but very narrow street. You can see what happened down there earlier. It was very difficult for two vehicles to pass, so the two vans, a white van and I think a car behind it, had to kind of almost come to halt to allow the other vehicles on the other side, the oncoming vehicles, to pass. Now that building all the way out there, I don't know if you can see that building there. I'm gonna walk all the way out there. I don't know, it looks like a church. What do you think? Could be a church. I'll give you some details about it, which I'll put in the either in the description, but I'll probably put it in the video as well. But if you are watching this before, don't cheat and go fast forward. But at this time, at this stage in the video, what do you think that building is? Is it a church? And if it's a church, what church is it? Is it Catholic Church, Church of England, etc.? Drop it in the comments, please, before pause the video and drop it in the comment, please. Thank you. You know what? When I left out this morning, to be honest with you, it was bleak, almost no sun, and the day has really turned out to be a beautiful day. You know, you can still see a little bit of cloud in the background, but for the most part, what you're seeing is actually, oh whoa, I thought it was blue all the way. But even though they're very clouded that side, the vast majority of the clouds are not really dark, look as if they're loaded with rain. So I think the sun probably will continue for a few more hours. We have blue skies and patches of clouds here and there. Those clouds up there, you can see in the middle, look a bit dark, so it could be a bit of rain, but let's enjoy the sun as much as we can. Okay, so we're heading up that building assume it's a church. Tell me what church it is. If it's a church, is it Church of England? Is it Anglican? And so forth. The Cow Yard pedestrian entrance to park. Opening time, not sure what that is, but this is National Trust, so I guess that's something that people could look at. I'll probably go over there and see what it is. I'm sure you're right. I'll go in and see what's here. Petworth Deer Park. What? Yeah, guys, I've just seen the sign that says Deer Park, Petworth Deer Park, and I just tried to get some information. Unfortunately, they did try, but I do appreciate the attempt. We'll proceed to that building. Well, there's a church, and again, remember, is it Church of England or is it Catholic? Here we are. This street here is called North Street, as you can see, and I'm going to go over there. It does look like a church, but let's see what's over there. Yep, does give a church vibes. Cemeteries, of course. Still can't see any sign for the church. That's what Peter Lotman, rest in peace, Peter Michelle Lotman Johnson, 1919 to 2016. That's somebody that has passed away. Still don't know which church is there. That's a bit strange. If you know this area, Petworth, of course I'm going to do my research, but if you're watching this video before I put the details in the video, please let me know which church is this, okay? I don't know if it's still in operation, but it has a fairly large cemetery, but that's it. Cars are parked, but no sign. There's nobody. Let's see if there's anybody in. Looks abandoned, is it? Hello? No, I don't think there's anybody here. Probably this church is no longer in operation. But anyway, it's a majestic building, as you can see. Yep, the clock, what time is it? After 12, not working. Yeah, there's nobody here. Okay, we'll move on. Is I wonder why there's no sign or name for the church, because there's nobody there. There's nobody here. That's a wasted building, isn't it? If it's not been used for something. Yeah. Let's see if around the other side if there are any signs. Yes, guys, this is Petworth in Surrey. Yeah. What are your thoughts on this little village? The setup, the roads, the buildings. It does set up like a tourist town, doesn't it? Oh, this side is better. Maybe that was a back. Ah!